can do this with bigger numbers as well, by chunking big parts of the number together. 126 take away 49, I'm going to count from 49 up to 126 and see how many steps I had to do that. 49, I'm going to go to the nearest friendly number, which is 50, by adding 1. The next logical step for me would be to go to 100, so I'm going to add another 50 to get to 100. And I need to get to 126. You could do this in steps by adding 20 and then adding 6, but I'm just going to put the whole 26 on there. And now I'm going to add those numbers together. I always start with the biggest number, so I'd start with 50, add 26, add 1. 50 and 26 is 76, add 1 is 77. 126 take away 49 is 77. This is one for you to have a go at. Pause the video, see how you get on. I'm going to start with 75 and see how many steps I need to get to 142. Next friendly number from 75, I'm going to add on 5 to take me to 80. I still have to get to 142, so my next step is to go to 100, so I'm going to add on 20. That takes me to 100, and then I just need 42 to take me to 142. Now I'm going to add those numbers together, starting with the biggest one, 42, add 20, add 5. 42 and 20 is 62, add 5 is 67. 142 take away 75 is 67. There's not really any limit to how big the numbers are to do this. It's not the most efficient method in the world, but for some people it just makes more sense to use this method. 3,642 take away 937. They're huge numbers, but I can still do this on a number line. From 937 to 3,642. My first jump, I'm going to jump 3 places to take me to a nice round 940. I need to get to 3,642, so I'm going to go up to 1,000 by adding 60. Now that I'm at 1,000, I need to get to 3,000, so I'm going to do a massive jump of 2,000. Now I need to get to 3,600, so I'm going to add on 600. And now I just have 42 left to add on. And this time, because there are quite a few numbers, I'm going to cross them out as I add each one up. So starting with 2,000, then 600, then 60, then 42, and then 3. Because there are so many of them, some would find this easier to put in a column. The ones column, 2 and 3 is 5. The tens column, we've got 6 tens and 4 tens, that's 10 tens. So we're going to put in the 0 there and carry that 100 into the hundreds column. And 0 add 6 in the hundreds column, add that 100 that we've carried, that's 700, and then just bring down the 2. 3,642 take away 937 is 2,705. And here's one for you to try. Pause the video, see how you get on. From 789 up to 5,294. I'm going to start by doing a small jump of just 1 to take me to a nice multiple of 10, which is 790. Now I want to get to the next multiple of 100, which is 800, so I'm going to add on 10 to take me to 800. Now I want to get to 1,000, so I'm going to add 200. Now I'm on 1,000, I can see that I've still got to get to 5,294, so I'm going to do a huge jump to get me to 5,000 by adding 4,000. Now I want to get to 5,200, and then I have 94 left. Again, I'm going to cross the numbers out as I add them, starting with the biggest. 4,000, add 200, add another 200, add 94, add 10, add 1. And again, just put those in a column. 1's column, 4 and 1 is 5. 10's column, 9 10s and 1 10 makes 100. So I'm going to put the 0 in there and carry that 1 over to the hundreds column. 200 and 200 is 400, add another 1 is 500, and then bring that 4,000 down. 5,294, take away 789, is 4,505. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.